Alright, so what is going on, guys? It is Coilovers here, and today I'm bringing you guys another car vlog on my channel. I know it's been quite a while since I've uploaded, but I promise you guys that now that the weather is going to be somewhat nicer, I mean, I guess it's not right now technically, but now that the weather should be nicer, more videos will be coming back to the channel. And so this video today is going to be one that I had recorded quite a while ago, but I had never edited and uploaded, and so it's going to be kind of choppy and a little weird. Because it's kind of different clips and different things that I did, but it should flow pretty good overall. And then after this video, we will have a part 2, which will include the back half of the coilovers, as well as a kind of update on what I've done to the Jetta in the last few months and what I plan on doing in the future, as well as maybe some future projects coming up, and kind of a big update video. So basically, I hope you guys enjoy today's video. We're going to be looking at my new spoiler, and we are going to be installing the front coilovers on the Jetta. And then, like I said, next video will include the second video, or the second part of this, which will be doing the back coilovers, working on fitment, and going over a full update on what I've done to the Jetta recently, because I've changed a few things up. So I do hope you guys enjoy. Please drop a like, comment, subscribe. Check out my car Instagram as well as my personal Instagram. Follow me on Twitter and drop a sub. And thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope you enjoy, and we'll see you guys later. All right, peace. Alright guys, so I'm super excited right now. I just got the spoiler back from the shop and it is completely painted. It looks pretty good. There's some small blemishes that the guy's gonna go over again once we get it on. And he's gonna like buff them out or something. But yeah, basically, this is the spoiler. Oh boy, I'm freaking hype on this shit. As you guys can see, we got the duckbill carbon pixel spoiler. Usually this thing takes like months to come in from Russia or something. But I found it on Facebook. The guy posted it, and like an hour and a half later, I messaged him and I was like, dude, like, do you still have this? I need this. Carbon pixels. Basically, this guy bought it, posted it on Facebook because he bought it a couple months ago and it takes like 4 months to come in or whatever. And he totaled his Jetta and bought an Audi. So it came in, he didn't need it, posted it up, met him and picked it up the same day. I'm pretty stoked on it. I'm going to head over to my grandpa's garage real quick, and we're hopefully going to get it fitted on with 3M tape. So yeah, I will update you guys in a second. And also, coming soon, I just ordered my coilovers. So the car's going to be getting some low. I'm super stoked. Things are starting to come together finally. Got coilovers coming. Got the spoiler I'm going to put on. And yeah, let's get to it, boys. It's going to look fucking sick, hopefully. Once I get my coilovers, I'm going to have to get a little front lip. And yeah, I think it's going to look super dope. So let's do it. Alright, so what is going on, guys? It is Coilovers here, and today I am super excited to bring you another video on my channel, and of course this is one of the most important ones so far, because we finally got the coilovers for the Jetta. So, I know I've been talking about this for a while now, and things are all starting to kind of come to fruition here since I've gotten my job, but basically let me give you the rundown. So, we got the wheels and tires, and then we got some interior stuff. We got the front stuff done, because as you can see, the license plate got moved. We filled the holes, we repainted that. Obviously the spoiler on the back, we got that painted. Got that put on, the shift boot, all that stuff. Now it's finally time for my favorite part of the build, hopefully, the coilovers. So, I was gonna get ST coilovers, and then I decided I'm not gonna have this car for very long, and it's not necessarily the fastest or most performance oriented car, so I was just like, I'm just going to save some money and spend the rest on some other random goodies. So I got Raceland Classics. They're like $400 or something like that, which is really cheap for coilovers, I know, but they come with a lifetime warranty. So I was just like, fuck it, like $400 if it breaks, I'll just get a new one. Like, I don't care, whatever. But I know a lot of people with Jettas in the groups that I'm in on Facebook all kind of uses like Racelands or BC or ST or KW, whatever. So I wanted to try it out because it's my first car with coilovers, and I didn't want to spend an arm and a leg. So yeah, we got Racelands. The specs for the 2013 Jetta S, I know it's different than the GLI with the independent rear suspension, but it's a 15mm front housing with obviously the twist beam or whatever it's called, rear suspension. I know there's like 3 different names for it, but yeah, we're about to go to Harbor Freight, and hopefully their spring compressors are better than their jack stands so I don't die. But we're gonna go get a spring compressor. I think Joe and Bobby might be coming with us, and yeah, it should be a fun day. I'm really excited. Let's get a quick look of the car before the coilovers. In the rain, I know, of course, it always rains. but luckily we have a garage to go into. So let's get a little quick look at the wheel gap here. So it's pretty gnarly still, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty gnarly wheel gap. So hopefully, once we get these coilovers put in, we get them adjusted, it's gonna shorten that down. So yeah, we're gonna start getting things set up here, and yeah, we'll pick the vlog up in a few minutes. So if you guys are excited, drop a comment how low you think it's gonna go, if you think it's gonna look good, and yeah, let's get started, boys. Where we're going? Harbor Freight?
Harbor Freight.
I just said where we're going. Jesus.
Where we're going, mate?
Where we're going? Yeah, boys. Got my Starbucks. We're ready to go, baby.
My Nantucket Nectars.
Nantucket Nectars!
It's apple, my boy. This is heat.
Yo, give a good smile to the camera.
You go what?
I said, give a good smile to the camera. All right, so we made it into the garage. We got everything. We picked up the spring compressors. Joe's here. Robert's here. My grandpa's here. Yeah, let's get started.
Done.
Bada bang, bada boom. All right, so step number one, take this little trim piece off. Then you gotta pop these little caps off. And then you unscrew the windshield wipers. Take this trim piece off, and then we'll be able to get to the top mounts right there, baby. So yeah, that's the strategy. You gotta like hit that part, and then it loosens it.
You can't hit it too hard, it'll fucking crack the windshield.
Yep. So that's the struggle. Where we got one off though. We got one off.
All right, boys, you're gonna have to take the lug nuts off the wheel real quick. Once you're done with that, you're gonna jack it up, and then we should be good to go.
All right, guys. So we got all the trim pieces off. Obviously, we got the lug nuts loosened up. We're about to jack the car up, and then let's go over to the coilovers quick. All right. So let me show you guys the coilovers real quick. So basically, front, back. And then we got the little strut spreader to get the stock ones out. And then obviously the adjustment things. So yeah, I still gotta figure out like all the dampening and all that because I don't know what the setting is supposed to be. But yeah! Alright, so Raceland obviously includes like a nice video for this, so we're kind of just following step by step. But we took the bolt thingy out of the center there. Then you gotta take the top one off with the tie rod end, then that one on the side. And then the strut spreader that I showed you guys, that's like in the back of it. So if you guys are doing this, obviously just follow the Raceland video. But yeah, it's coming together. We're getting stuff done.
I'm locking my car.
His keys in his car. So that's awesome, yeah. One more left. It's fucking stuck. Of course. Hard at work, Joe? Alright, so basically, the nuts on the bottom of those bolts are welded to the bottom, and the weld is snapped on that one, so it's not coming out, so he's just gonna cut that shit off.
It's a rip.
Fuck
for that nut.
As you are in your
What does it do?
fast approvals.
Hey, now it's off, baby. Let's fucking go.
2 hours later, baby. Let's fucking
2
go.
hours later, we
Oh,
got
you
the
guys
first
wanna
one.
see? Wait, look. Fuck that nut, okay?
That nut is gone.
It was a bolt at one point. It's like a nut now. All right, so as you can see, we're putting it back together. We got it held up with the jack because we got it off of the spinny thing, the bolts under. So we're gonna put the little bolts under back in, and then the little spinny.
Little spinny thing with bolts on it, brother.
All right, we're gonna take 2 seconds away from there and show you guys what this dude's got planned. So explain this, explain the wheel situation.
Alright, so the stock wheels that I have on here are 205, 65, 16. And I bought Enkai wheels and rims. Okay, no.
He got Enkai wheels,
Yep.
and then tires both off Fitment Industry. I'm pretty sure it's like Nanking or something.
Nanking.
So he's got that. Those are coming in the mail. And then on Facebook yesterday, I actually found these for him. What do we got?
We have Rev 9 Hyperspeed 2.
Okay.
We got camber plates on it, top mounts, all that shit.
Yep. Got
And,
the little adjusters.
Originally on the website they cost $500, but I found these on Facebook Marketplace for $300. That was a fucking deal.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely a steal. He had them posted for like $360. Joe messaged me, he goes, "Do you think I should offer him $300?" I was like, "Dude, fuck it. Like, why not?" And the guy said yes. So he got a fucking sweet deal. The front ones were put on the car. The back ones he said weren't put on, but they don't look like they're brand new. I mean, maybe that's just from like
Sitting
storing
there.
them. Yeah. But yeah. So this is going to be another video coming soon of trying to install these ones. But yeah, for the time being, let's get back inside and keep working on mine. This has been a fucking hassle. It's been 2 hours and we just got the stock one off and we got the top mounts put on the new one. So now we're reassembling the first front one. But yeah, this has been quite the process. And yeah, here we go, boys. Let's get back to her.
Nice and tight.
Okay, quick update. You got to take this fucking thing off the bottom before it'll fit in.
Fits now.
It's too big.
Yeah, that's not easy.
Bro, what the fuck?
Until
Rip.
10 p.m.
All right, so Joe's done 3 takes of this, which I'm going to include for you guys to watch. But yes, we got the first tire done. Everything's done. Everything's screwed back in. So this is the stock side. The side that we have not changed yet. And then we come over here. And yeah, it's pretty good. We're going to get all of them on, and then we're going to do like fine tuning, random adjustments that we need to. But
All right, boys, we're coming into a slight problem here. Unfortunately, since we got the low boy life, I can't really get the jack into it. Can't get it to the bolt. So
Hi everyone, we're back and we're now taking off the top hat for this side, but they are currently fucking it up like they were on the other side, so we're gonna try and fix this. Progress is being made. Luckily, we do believe that the back ones are a whole lot easier to get off and install the coilovers here. So yeah, we'll give you some updates too.
the one that was fucking up, we fixed it. Had to do a little homemade shit, but gotta do what you gotta do, my boys. We finally got it out. Finally got it out. Took a little while, but what do you got to say to the Germans, man?
honestly, you guys need to work on your welding skills because this time we had to cut 2 of the bolts off, and yeah, the strut was stuck in there pretty good. And if you don't start holding this up here, I'm gonna
Yeah,
kill
we're
you.
gonna. What am I doing?
Take a lot.
Send it in. Send it in.
Going. There.
Did it again.
Oh, that is so low in the front. Oh my god. Bro, where are you fucking mobbing?
All right, boys. So we are finally done for the day. Well, we got half of it done.
We got the
2 fronts done.
2 front.
Been awake since 9. Haven't eaten yet. What time is it?
6:54, my boys.
6:54. Got the wifey.
That's a premium.
Okay. But yeah, I'm recording, dude. So yeah, let me show you guys really quickly what it looks like. Obviously, we didn't get the back ones in yet because that's gonna be another day. That's gonna be tomorrow. But I mean, from here, it does bruh. Just when he gets on the road, oh my god,
Look at that.
man's can barely fit his
I can
fingers
put
in, bro.
barely one finger.
Like this shit. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's fucking go. So yeah, we're done for the day. We're gonna pick the vlog up tomorrow when we start working on the back. Thank God I had 2 days off in a row because I don't know what the fuck I would have done. And yeah, hopefully I can call and get the alignment done tomorrow too, so that way we can fucking get it riding. That looks so weird when you have it up there. You can't even tell what it is. So yeah, boys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. And I will catch you guys tomorrow when we pick it up. Thanks for coming over, boys. Bang, bang, thumbs up. Number 6, head ass.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.